That was the scene in front of the Public Health Ministry Wednesday morning when Managing Director of Suria Manufacturing, Mr. Frank Sanichara, brought out his workers to protest what they see as victimization by the government Analyst, Food and Drug Department, a department headed by Mr. Marlan Cole. The protest started earlier in front of the Ministry of the Presidency. The company alleges that once Mr. Cole is not fond of anyone or not a close associate, he will make things difficult to transact business with the department.
How long are we going to go under this torture? You know, our funds are all tied up in products that is confiscated by this man. We have applied. Now he have a new rule where he wants us to apply to him to bring in products into the country. Well, our application is sitting there for months. So what do we do?
But Mr. Cole is denouncing those allegations. Nightly News reached out for a response from the Food and Drug boss.
In my defense, I would prefer to use what the evidence that is in the department to demonstrate that, what we may or may not have been asking Suria Manufacturing to do is no different from what we've been asking or requesting from the other manufacturers according to the laws of Guyana.
Suria Manufacturing is the importer of the popular Juicy Juice and other snacks. Mr. Sanichara says he is not the only importer who is faced with the problem. But for fear of victimization, the others are scared to come forward. He wants Mr. Cole to be sanctioned.
We are asking that the administration, that the various ministers look into the corrupt practices by Mr. Cole, and they addressed our concerns. That's why we're here. We want them to address our concerns. They have not been doing that over a year now.
What is the concern?
The concerns is that Mr. Cole is acting above the law. He's acting above the law.
Mr. Cole sees the actions by Suria Manufacturing as an act of ungratefulness.
There is evidence in the department to which Suria Manufacturer would have been given waivers upon waivers upon waivers, and we would have been actually breaking the law by allowing them to import items without the prescribed documentation.
Mr. Cole said he expects all importers to be in compliance with the law and that he will remain focused and not be distracted by persons who do not find favor with his operations. Royden James, HGP Nightly News.